I'm not a travel blogger. This is difficult and new, but I really wanted to share this. 2020, let's be honest, it sucked. And because of the lockdowns, I spent most of it just submerged into work. But you can only do that for so long before burnout catches up with you and it's time to take a break.
Hey Max, what's up?
Hey Wes.
So I've been thinking, 2020 has been mostly shit, right? I have a birthday coming up.
But you guys aren't really doing much. Would you like
To go on a road trip for a few weeks, just get out of town, see the land.
Maybe we get to have some actual fun this year.
That sounds awesome. Let me ask Ennis.
We're in.
Unbreakable, unstoppable. I'm pushed to the edge and take it all. I'm born to be untamable. Go right to the edge and never fall. Roll at the fire. I'm taking it higher. Unshakable, unstoppable. I'm pushed to the edge and take it all.
How's the road trip going?
So far,
We haven't gone anywhere yet.
Our first stop was Cameron Highlands. We wanted to spend the night there, check out the tea fields, and then head to Penang for a few days for my birthday. I'm a pretty big tea fan, and I've never been to a tea plantation before, and holy shit, this place was impressive. It's like the entire mountain is nothing but tea. There's hills upon hills upon hills filled with tea. It was incredible.
Feeling free and living the dream.
You almost clipped the only power wire in the whole mountain.
But I didn't though.
Almost,
right?
yeah, but you didn't.
But then it started raining, so we kind of had to pull out. You know how important it is to pull out in time? Pretty soon it was time to go because we wanted to make it to Penang before sundown, and we only had a few hours of sunlight left. We didn't really do much in Penang because I wanted my birthday to be calm, because since I turned 18, every single one of my birthdays was either very hectic or just turned to shit one way or another. Like one of them was literally in a war zone. So doing nothing, spending the entire day very calmly was a very welcome change.
Do you want to sing?
Alright. Death is closer than ever. That is very true. Where's
Happy
the cake?
birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, come here, camera person.
Hey.
Cool, where's the knife?
All right.
I'm gonna knife this cake.
Knife it.
I'm gonna make it with your face.
Stab it.
Oh, definitely didn't record that, but I guess.
It's my birthday, I do what I want. That's very uneven, so whatever. After Penang, our next planned destination was Perhentian, which was across the country, and we didn't really have any waypoints between us and there, so we just headed in the general direction of east, and we thought, let's see what we find. And what we found was a resort which was abandoned on a lake which was massive in a rainforest which is approximately 130 million years old. The resort was basically abandoned since the lockdown started, which is how we got in without being able to afford it. And exploring it was quite interesting. And that lake is just massive. Can you believe humans made it? Oh yeah, it was made by people during the Cold War as part of the effort to fight the communists. We got cotton candy that looks like ice cream. Hers doesn't, but it's still cotton candy. I haven't had cotton candy in like 10 years or so, maybe more.
Enjoy the moment.
He didn't get cotton candy though, because he is not a cotton candy fan, I guess. I don't know.
Luckily, I love him, so I guess I'll share. Maybe.
I won't. Once we were done exploring the resort, it was a straight shot to Perhentian, one of my favorite places in the world to date. A place I haven't been to since 2016. And 2016 was a good year. Not like this piece of shit. First time I saw this place 4 years ago, I thought to myself, wow, this is where they take all the wallpaper photos. We spent a total of 4 days on the island, and they were, without a doubt, the best of 2020. After Perhentian, we didn't really want to do much. We've had lots of fun, we were exhausted, and we thought, let's take it slow. Let's just go along the east side and then make our way back to KL. We got 3 days left, we'll just do whatever. And that's what we did. Okay, so here's the plan.
Yeah.
We eat, we get cake, we get all our shit, including the FPV gear. We go north, wherever, and then when it's time to come back for you to teach, we just take a 2-minute detour to the bridge, you drop us there, you go home, and then we just walk back home. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Our last day was probably the most calm. We didn't really have anything to do, so we thought, hey, let's go back to KL, let's sleep in our own beds, and just return the car in the morning. But soon enough we realized that Wesley needed to do her teaching work at 7 p.m, and there was no way we could make it to the city by then. So we found a random hot springs resort in the middle of nowhere, and we stayed there for the night. And we did not get any footage, so you're just gonna have to believe me. But the next morning, we made it back to KL, we returned the car, we said our goodbyes, and the road trip was over.